Welcome back to the channel. What do we have today for the channel is we are going to be installing Go Fast Bits ball balls for the GT-R. So pretty much it's going to be straightforward. It's not that hard to do the install. Let me go ahead and show you. Pretty much we have the stock BOBs right here. So it's not a hard install, but I do want to show you guys step by step, and I'm going to show you the before and after the install to see how it sounds and the difference that it makes on the GT-R. So for those that continue supporting the channel, thank you guys. And for those that want to see my Spanish YouTube channel, I'll put it somewhere over here so you guys can go ahead and check it out, because I do remember some people over here wanted to see videos in Spanish. Other than that, pretty much straightforward. We're gonna get some tools, get ready, remove these ones, and let me show you guys the other ones. Before we start with the video, I would like to say thank you guys for all the continued support. For those that continue supporting the channel, give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button for me. It means a lot. So that being said, let's go ahead and continue with this BOBs and see what happens. Thank you guys for all the continued support. Alright, so first of all, before we start the video, let me turn on the car and show you guys the before, and then I'll show you guys the after. And when we are done with all of the install, we can go take a drive and see how the car sounds from inside the car. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do the before, and then we'll do the after, how it sounds. But I will go ahead and show you guys how to do the install and all of that stuff. So let's do a quick rev. Car's warm up already. Let's go ahead and do it. So you guys got the idea. We don't have any sound coming from the VOVs. We did a couple revs, not that much because we have neighbors and obviously I don't want to, bother them. But here we have the Go Fast Beats BOBs. They look amazing, honestly. I mean, it would be nice if they can offer more color options, of course. So this is the spring at the top. Basically you can adjust how open you want this. So pretty much we have the L right here for the spring, and let's go ahead and start removing the OEM. So this is for the driver's side and this is for the passenger side. Alright, so it's gonna be a 12mm bolt. We can go ahead and take it off, but before we do that, let's go get some pliers and remove this, or you can even do it with your hand, but it's just up to you. This one was easy. I don't know about this one. Alright, let's try this small one. Just trying to get it going because it's really stuck. So just be patient with it. It's gonna be hard to take it off, but it will come out. There you go. Come on. There we go. Just go back and forth. Help yourself with a flathead if you want. But it's coming out. There we go. We got this one out. Now we need to get this one off. There you go. It's out. So we have this one out. We have this one. We are free to take this off. Let's go ahead and do it. We have 12mm. Just remove it. Just take it out. Don't drop any bolts. We have one at the bottom. So you have this for the 12. It's going to make your job a lot easier. So we're going to put it here, turn it, and you should be able to come out fast and easy. I've seen some people removing this whole box for the intake, so I don't want to do that. I'm trying to save myself 150 bucks. We remove the OEM. Check it out, super stock. doesn't make any sound. And yeah, so I've seen videos and people wonder if you are going to continue using the OEM gasket on the other BOB, and the answer is no, you don't need it. I've seen some other videos where they use this and they put the Go Fast Bits BOB, and this one already has its own gasket. So answer is no, you don't need the OEM gasket on this. Alright, so that's how it looks. We have the OEM. Going to be removing that, and we are going to be installing this bad boy over here. That looks amazing. I'll show you guys right now when I'm finished. Put this one back, put the bolt. Let's put this bolt first, and then we can go ahead and do the other one. Make sure you guys don't drop anything. Alright, now let's put the top one. We have the bottom one secure. Let's do the top one. Just hand tight. You don't need much. And now we can go ahead and put everything back. Right, tell me down in the comments what you guys think, how this looks. I think that looks amazing, but it will be dope if they offer different color choice on these BOBs. Alright, so after that, let's go ahead and install the passenger side. I'm not gonna show you guys, pretty much it's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be boring. Once I'm done with that one, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car, and we're gonna see how much this thing opens so we can adjust the spring over here. So basically they offer this so you can adjust minus or plus. Alright boys, so we have basically the passenger side install, quick and easy. I didn't show you guys the process because basically we did the same process on the driver's side. It's pretty much straightforward. Let me put all the tools away and then we can go ahead and test it out. Let me go ahead and do some reps for you. That sounds amazing. Alright, there you guys have it. Let's go for a quick drive and see how it goes. See what RPM we're gonna be able to hear them. I don't know if you guys can hear them, but they sound good. Honestly, they sound amazing. You can only hear them when you go full boost. Yup, they sound amazing. Alright boys, let's go back home and just finish the video, and I hope you guys like this install on the Go Fast Bits BOBs. They sound amazing, to be honest. One last pull. Let's see how this goes. Yep, sounds amazing. So we are back, so we are finally done. I think I record a couple clips for you guys. If there is not enough footage on how the car sounds, then I'm going to make another video driving the car around. Like I told you guys, probably put like a mic so you guys can hear this Go Fast Bits BOBs. But yeah, other than that, pretty easy install. You guys can, do it yourself. 15-20 minutes and you should be good to go. So other than that, I'm going to end the video right here, and I'll see you guys till the next one.